Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be reviewing LuxAlgo. LuxAlgo is a premium indicator suite built for TradingView, offering traders a comprehensive package of buy and sell signals, trend analysis, overlays, oscillators, and automation too. It includes multiple toolkits with entry and exit confirmations, momentum indicators, price action concepts, and customizable overlays. Traders can tweak sensitivity, use different candle type like Yaki and set up webhook alerts for automation. User report improves signal recognition, and the platform is designed to reduce chart clutter. Real feedback from Reddit and Trustpilot highlight user satisfaction and measurable trading gains, backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Final verdict. LuxAlgo appear to be a legitimate and powerful tool for serious traders seeking customizable and AI-enhanced trading insights. But do your own research in a good way. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.